Today I took one trade, one break even. Um, not great because I could have made $166. I was up 30 points, but I let it come back to break even. So, not great. Pivot relationships were outside on TPO, also outside on cams, and it was lower on the CPR. But the open was under L4 and S1. It was bouncing off of L5 and inside this demand. I did have this low volume node over here right around the S1 area. So also this value area low area from the overnight session plus yesterday's session was at 67.95. So the 67.95 to around 68.09 area was what I was watching for a rejection. If it came down before it went up here in this area, I wanted to kind of see about longing L5 inside demand. So my plan somewhat worked out. I definitely did not capitalize on it though. So market opens up and it starts dipping a little bit before it hits my level at value low, but it rallies back up and then it goes back into that level, which I'm looking to short at. So here I am. It's pretty volatile day today too, by the way. So it starts rejecting and I was like, okay, maybe I missed it. But it's fine because it never really came into my level. But it did come back at around, let's see, 639. So yeah, so it goes up into 67.93. My 67.95 is my level. I'm looking to short here, right? So I see this delta divergence forming on the 20 range, delta divergence on the 1 minute. I see kind of a P shape over here. I like that. I also like the fact that the 2 minute delta divergence is forming here. And so I was kind of waiting for a retest of this P shape over here. It kind of came back, but it never really did. So kind of came back into around, I don't know, 90 and a half. I honestly was waiting for like 91 and a half, 92 maybe. But yeah, it came into 90 and a half and then it started tanking. So at this point, it's already, what, 10 points of risk? I really wanted this 2 minute to finish as a delta divergence also, so I was kind of waiting for that, hoping that it would retest this little bulge here. But then it closes here, and at this point it's about 15 points of risk, which is a little bit too much for me. So I was waiting for the retest still. Didn't get it, start selling off. So basically, I was like, I missed that entry. I was just super nervous to get in, maybe because it was very volatile today, but yeah, I hesitate a lot in getting in short there, although I did have good confirmations. The second opportunity came when there was kind of this P shape here. I was also getting a 2 minute delta divergence here. There was also a CVD hidden divergence. I'm up here. Broke the highs on delta, but not on price. So I liked that. So again, I'm looking for an entry here, but then it just sells off, and my entry would be at what, 55, and yeah, it'd be another 15 points of risk, which is a little too much for me. I'm thinking about it when it comes back up, but I miss this one too because I'm hesitating a lot. At this point, I'm thinking, is it just FOMO? Am I just trying to get in because I missed that first entry? Although I did have decent confirmations. I just couldn't pull the trigger there. So then I'm kind of bummed out. I missed 2 entries now. But I see another one here. Another opportunity here where it comes up. Again, it's breaking highs while price is not. Delta is breaking highs. And it's also forming a 2 minute delta divergence here. which I really liked. So I enter here with one contract, this time with 10 points of risk. My stop is up here. And yeah, so that was another delta divergence on the 20 range, and on the 2 minute, I like the CVD divergence and that 1 minute delta divergence forming now. So I entered at 52 and a quarter with the stop above 62 and a quarter. And I was very nervous because I don't know if this was just a FOMO entry or not, but decided to give it a try. As a continuation off of the rejection off of value low and the low volume node there. And it did seem like it was kind of working out, but it broke lows and it just rallied up. I was literally one tick away from stopping out, and somehow I didn't get stopped out there. And then I rejected and started going down. Although it did consolidate a lot in the middle here, but it ended up going down here and selling off. So my target was at this demand zone here at 13, 67.13, which was a little bit more than 3R. So my 3R would have been 22, so about 10 points more. I usually target 3R, but because this demand zone was right near this 3R area, I thought it would make sense to target the demand instead of just 3R because, one, it's pretty close, and two, because it's breaking this L5 level after a lot of retesting over here, it should sell off into some sort of technical level is what I thought. Yeah, S2 was right there too, so I mean there's good confluence on this technical level. I thought it would make sense that it sells off into this level, especially after breaking through this demand zone and through L5 here. But it never got there. It got to 3R. I was up 330 points here, about 3.2R, 3.3R, and then it came all the way back to stop me out at break even. So I gave back 30 points. I saw this kind of slowing down over here, and I just thought maybe I should take it off at 3R, but I didn't. I wanted to hold till this demand zone here, and seems like that was the wrong choice. There's reason that I target 3R. It's because most of my trades don't go beyond 3R. That's the most optimal P&L. But yeah, even there it rejected and started coming back down. I thought it would break the lows, but it just started rallying up. So yeah, I don't know. Gave back 30 points. Not a good feeling. I don't know if I should have targeted. I mean, I think it's a good level, but just didn't get there. And I don't know what I need to do if it hits 3R and 30 points. I mean, because 30 points is a lot for me. I'm not sure. Not sure what to do in these situations.